today we have Joshua Remix. So can you tell me what is today? What will they do today?
Today is 1st October. Actually, it's our Independent Day. Though we are not even celebrating it. This country has nothing to write home about. So just like today is 1st October and we are celebrating independence. And just look at everywhere, people are still doing their normal. Nothing there's no vibe that this is an Independent Day. Because what are you will be celebrating? There's no happiness in this country. Killings everywhere. So I don't think there is something to be celebrated in this country.
Okay, Joshua, so what are your expectations for next year election, 2023 election?
2023 election, I'm just expecting a change.
Can you
tell me what we are celebrating today?
The Nigerian at 62. That's the Nigerian independence. That is the celebration.
So can you tell me, is this Independence Day worth celebrating?
It is yes and no. Yes, yes, in a sense that when we look at the trajectory of politics in Nigeria, we will say no. You understand? Because we are still talking about what happened in the 1960s. You understand? As a citizen, we are still looking at power borehole. We are still looking at electric lights. We are still looking at road construction as a dividend of democracy in Africa. You understand? So in the 21st century. Yeah, but when you talk about no, we look at the indices like the absence of every paraphernalia of politics. We lack everything. We lack almost everything. Look at the situation of Nigeria today. We talk about insecurity, we talk about hardship, we talk about unemployment. What are we talking about? Though we are not saying that nothing has happened anyway. A lot has happened. But in actuality, independence is worth celebrating in a sense that when there is life, there is hope. It is only on that basis that we'll be talking about Nigeria's independence. But aside that, when we talk about any other thing, considering leadership, considering administration, considering everything about Nigeria, to be frank, I am miffed. I am not happy with John of Tens.
So why are you not happy?
No, I am not happy due to the level of insecurities, due to the frailties I have adumbrated already. So those are the things that if I look at them, I will say I'm not happy. But in actuality, we are having hope. So that in 2023, there's going to be a new Nigeria. In 2023, there's going to be a paradigm shift. In 2023, there's going to be a rejig of the status quo. That's it.
So can you tell me your expectations for 2023 election?
My expectation is just simple. It is just a free, fair, and credible election.
So Choma, can you tell me what we are celebrating today?
Actually, today is Independence Day, yeah.
Do you think it's worth celebrating?
Of course it is.
So what are your reasons?
Just that we've been united and we are living peacefully.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
So you're looking so nice. I love your outfit. And your face cap too. So what's your name?
My name is Ferdinand Ubala.
Can you tell me what we are celebrating today?
Okay, I'm celebrating Nigeria birthday.
Okay.
Today is my also birthday.
Wow, happy birthday to you, sir.
Okay.
Can you tell me if this day is worth celebrating?
Yes.
So what are your reasons?
Well, to celebrate independence is what every Nigerian must abide for.
Okay.
Yes, because a kind of a birthday something. And any Nigerian that does not know anything about independence means something. That's one thing. Yes.
So sir, can you what are your expectations for next year 2023 election?
Yes, my expectation is that because I see things is bright, Ebonyi State is bright, and I believe that in next year, marvelous. As far as Ijina Davis is concerned, and my incoming governor, that's Nwifuru, is concerned, we are not shaken. We are not shaken. Yes, to settle. I'm APC chairman of my world.
Can you tell me what we are celebrating today?
Today is, of course, the Independence Day celebration of our great country, Nigeria. So ever since 1960, 70, it has been a remarkable event yearly, and that's what we gathered here.
Can you tell me if this Independence Day is worth celebrating?
My brother, is a hard question. And it's a hard question because even while we are celebrating here, some people are crying out there.
Yeah.
But however, it's a kind of annual event.
Yeah.
So somehow we are marking it, but sincerely, we need more sober reflection than this celebration.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir. So can you tell me your expectations for 2023 election?
Honestly, we look up to God because we really need a change in this country. We really expect a Nigeria that can look down to the sufferings of the masses.
Okay.
challenges the youth are facing, unemployment here and there. So we look at for a country that can look down to an industrialized nation where the youth can graduate and find work doing, and not just, roaming about whereby the crimes are increased on daily basis. So these are our expectations. Our leaders should look down to all these faults and be able to amend the situation.
So can you tell me what we are celebrating today?
Today is 1st October. We are celebrating the independence of Nigeria and also celebrating the independence and creation of a Ebonyi state.
Can you tell me if this Independence Day is worth celebrating?
By the grace of God, the president of our beloved country came into power since 2015. Things have been wishy-washy, but all the same, we thank God and give God all the glory. He has been doing the needful, and even the Ebonyi State government, who is the governor of Ebonyi State, Engineer Chief Dave Umai. You can see around, you see that the man has done marvelously well. And today we gather to tell him thank you for everything he has been doing from 2015 to date.
So sir, can you tell me your expectations? What are you expecting for 2023 election?
2023 will be great because the things has changed. If you watch the 2015 election cannot be compared with the 2023 election that is coming up. It's not going to be business as usual. It will be business as usual. It's a year for the youth because the youth will take over come 2023. And if you watch what our governor has been doing, you will see that he has literally dropped all the old politicians. So now the youths are taking over.
My name is Engineer Oka Odinaka.
Can you tell me what we are celebrating today?
We are celebrating independence. Nigeria is 62 and they are 26. That's what we're celebrating.
Do you think this Independence Day is worth celebrating?
Actually, it's worth celebrating, and at the same time, as far as we are living, it's worth celebrating. Anybody that is living, it's like it's a birthday. When your birthday comes, either good or bad, you need to celebrate it. Not because you are finding it in the other side. A birthday is the birth of our country, and we have to celebrate because we are alive. As far as we are alive, we have to celebrate it.
What are your expectations for 2023 election?
Very, very much expectation. 2023 is like a pregnant woman that will deliver. We are just like a 6-7 months pregnant. That will surely 2023 we must have a new government. And our expectation is to have a good and a better government come 2023.